I'm Rosa. Today we are going to take a look at this wheel loader, LIUGONG 862H loading machine. Rated payload capacity of 6.5 tons. Available with various types of buckets ranging from 3.5 to 6.5 cubic meters. Reinforced structure components. Reliable boom width and thickness. Large opening articulation 7-ton X-pins and bearings. A wheelbase of 3.55 meters. A 200 kilowatt high-power CANMAX engine. Additionally, it provides ultra-large reducer, single-layer structure, low clogging risk, ideal for high-temperature and dust-harsh conditions. The cape featuring micro-boost technology effectively prevents dust from entering. Extremely space, fully automatic CS transmission. The forward and the reverse mode can be easily switched with one button on the handle. If you are interested, please contact me now.